Yeah. Ayan, now it's early. It's 7:35 in the morning here in Peru. So gusto kong i-share sa inyo guys yung mga kaganapan dito. So sa likod ko guys, andyan yung bundok. Ayan. So actually yung lugar na kinapuporoonan ko ngayon ay napapaligiran siya ng mga bundok. Ayan. So pwede bang ganito para mas maano niya. So ayan. Hindi. Hindi pala pwede. So ito guys yung kaganapan dito. So sa dito din mga bundok yan sa likod ko. So actually marami siyang bundok. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Kapilya. Ayan. So gusto kong ipakita sa inyo guys yung sitwasyon dito. Wait lang. Paano ba to yan? So nandito tayo ngayon sa tapat ng chapel. Tapos ito yung nasa harapan ng chapel. Ayan. So puro siya bundok. Bundok. Pero yung bundok niya dito is dry. Karamihan ng bundok niya dito guys is dry. Tapos halos actually wala siyang mga puno masyado. Wala nga siyang mga puno. Usually ang mga may puno lang yung mga may bahay-bahay. Kaya kung makikita nyo doon, yung sa bandang doon, ayun, kasi may mga kabahayan, kaya may mga puno-puno. Pero actually kung titingnan nyo doon sa pinakataas niya, halos wala siyang mga puno. Kasi nga dry ang mga bundok. Kasi sabi nila wala daw ulan sa Peru. Wala siyang masyadong ulan dito sa Peru. Ayan. So, ito naman yung guys, yung garden. Ayan. Ito yung small garden. Siyempre, may mga nag-aalaga kaya may mga puno. So, kung mapapansin nyo, ayun, again, doon sa bandang doon, meron siyang mga bundok again. Pero again, yung mga bundok niya is dry. So, para siyang bundok after bundok. Ganda nga eh. Alala ko naglalaro kami ng mga bata pa kami. Gumagawa kami ng mga bundok-bundok. Ganyan ang itsura niya. Parang mga tinumpok-tumpok na bundok. So this is how the looks like kapag ikaw ay nasa taas ng bundok. Ganito guys ang itsura niya. So it's 7:37 ata o 7:38 na dito sa Peru. Umaga yan guys. Hello po, Trifol King. Shout out po sa'yo. Ayan guys, so ganito siya. Tapos yung very ironic nga kasi yung parang yung klima dito is mas malamig pa sa ibaba ng bundok kaysa sa taas ng bundok. Dito medyo malamig siya pero hindi masyadong malamig na mangangaligkig ka. Katulad kapag ikaw ay nasa ibaba ng bundok. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ganun. Anong nangyari. But anyway, yan guys. Okay lang po. Si Sir, ano ba to? Sir King, ikaw ba to, Sir King? Sensya na di kita makita masyado. Maliit kasi yung yung screen. Kumusta? Ayan guys. So nakaka-amaze talaga ang Diyos. Ayan. Yung kanyang gift sa humanity. Hindi ko lang ma-imagine halimbawa dahil sa climate change. Ano ang mangyayari? Kasi halimbawa kung tatamaan na ng masyadong malakas na ulan ang Peru. So malamang dahil ganyan ang mga bundok niya, masyadong dry. May mga bato-bato naman siya pero kung makikita nyo para siyang pag nandun ka ata sa taas, parang pag maling step mo lang sa taas maaari kang mahulog kasi nga madulas din siya kahit dry siya. Ayan. So doon sa bandang doon may mga kabahayan, yan. Mga tao talaga, 'di ba? Kung saan yung talagang mataas, doon talaga sila pupunta. So, yan guys. Kasi tayo yung memory natin is puno na. Kaya ayun, ay si Elsa. Yan guys, ang itsura dito. Hello, Elsa. Buenos dias.
Nice to see you.
Yeah, me too. Good morning. How are you? I'm good. I'm good.
Yeah,
And
you woke up early as well.
Yeah.
Me too. I woke up at 5
Wow.
and I'm so hungry. I'm waiting
Yeah.
for the breakfast.
Me too. I'm waiting. I don't know what time they will serve.
They said 8, but I think 8 is a bit late, you
Yeah.
know, because if you want to start 8:45,
Yeah,
9,
yeah.
I think. And I was thinking maybe it will start before, but no.
Yeah, yeah.
It's right on, you know,
Yeah.
right and quite so
Yeah.
the times
Mhm.
are quite strict. I don't know.
I think so because most of the delegates is here.
Ah, okay. I didn't even see there was a building there.
The woman is in the
Okay.
up, then the man is in the downstairs.
Okay. So your room is there.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
They put you on special place.
Yes, we
You
are
need to relax and.
VIP. Yes. I'm sorry. I'm
How's
a
the
bit
kids?
ashamed.
How's the kids?
Yeah, they're good.
It's really nice. Yeah. Arlene telling us that why you didn't bring. How are you? How are you?
Fine, fine,
Okay,
fine.
good, good, good.
And you
Good
came?
morning, Father.
Came late?
Yeah.
When you came?
Last night. Last night.
Okay.
Late.
No,
10
not
o'clock.
really, not really. Like around 8 o'clock, I think.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah. Most of the people came tonight.
Came
Direct
tonight.
from. No, last night.
Last
Sorry.
night.
Last
Taking
night.
group
Last night.
arrived as well.
Yeah.
The
Yes,
others,
most
they
of the
arrived.
people. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, cool.
the one from Lima and almost the same time.
Mhm.
What's another that group again?
There was the
Lima,
other group.
Pawana, Chiclayo.
Pawana, I think. Almost the same time.
Yeah.
We
So we're
left.
just waiting for the breakfast, Father.
It was good.
Yeah, you were in Lima.
Late ang serve nila.
No, it was
Yeah,
a
it
decision
starts at
to
8.
start.
Yun na po eh. Dapat na.
Three
Ayun,
countries
hindi ko
left,
alam.
presenting a little interaction and so on. And,
Buti pa kayo
but everybody
nakapaglakad-lakad.
was a little bit tired. Was totally
Ilang oras na kayo naglakad?
Hindi lang, mga 45 minutes.
The night before me.
At least, di ba?
Yeah,
Bawas.
yeah,
Pero pinagpawisan kayo?
Yeah, I heard there were some big celebrations. And how long did it take you to go from Lima to here?
Buenos dias.
2 hours at least.
Yeah, at least
Little bit
because
more,
our driver, I don't know what he did, but it took
Uh-huh.
us forever, you know. And
We
the
spoke
traffic,
about 3 hours, okay, but
it was short.
Buenos dias, Ed.
Yes.
We have the same. It's from
Yeah.
our group.
I saw it, Father.
Oh, that's beautiful.
It's
Part of the
kind of political action here in Peru.
When did you arrive in Peru, Aaron?
October 20.
Okay. So it's been.
He and Brian,
Who is Brian, the delegate?
the delegates from
Okay.
Philippine YCW.
Okay, I don't know.
Buenos dias.
You? When you came?
On
From
2 days
Bonjour.
ago.
2 days
Yes,
ago.
2 days.
Ça va? Oh, très bien.
Yeah. I had to learn a chapter now.
What do you mean?
Morning.
Yeah.
Ça va?
Uh-huh.
Weekend.
You there? But it's good. The room is good.
No?
No?
I need here.
You want here
But I want to
to be with the others.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I know. He
Maybe
told
we
me,
can
I
ask
think
later.
It's weird as well. But
We can.
yes.
And also especially with the youth.
Yes,
They want
Father.
that, that interaction.
Mhm.
But I think for Ryan, it's better to
You
be with the aunt.
Yeah, Father.
No, but
Pero
that's
okay
an
na po siya.
excuse.
It's
If
Philippines.
they wanted Arlene to be here, we could arrange ourselves, and the kids
Yeah,
are with
they
my
just,
parents
did
anyway,
the
so that is,
national
I mean, and that's our problem. If you